Today I'm going to take my hand-drawn fun food doodle and I'm going to turn it into a digital piece using Photoshop. First up, I'm going to need to scan it. I have this old Epson scanner and much to my surprise it still works. The drivers were available, so I scanned it using this. Next up, I'm going to draw the outlines by simply tracing over the original drawing in Photoshop. It's a very forgiving process. If you get the wrong line, you just hit Ctrl-Z and do it again. That way you can try to draw the line 5 or 6 times quickly in a few seconds. The trick to getting good lines is pretty much the same as drawing normally, trying to do it in one stroke, but unlike a traditional drawing where you can go a bit slower, I find using a computer, doing a quick line stroke works much better. Now all the outlines are done, it's time to move on to colouring. I do the colouring on layers underneath the outline, and I have one with the solid colour, and then I have one with the different shades of it. The technique I've decided to go for here is to do the highlight in one bar, and then go over it with a really soft brush to add some soft shadows. So it kind of has the toon-like shadow, but it also has a little bit more depth and shading. I really like the clean feel of the digital drawing. It's a medium I really like, and I hope you enjoy the reveal and also the comparison with the original drawing via the digital drawing.